Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. I am back in Hobby Lobby and tonight we're going to look at all the gingerbread and peppermint candy decor. Let's go shopping. So I'm sure you guys are familiar with their walls of ornaments. I did want to show you guys a few that stood out over here that are definitely that candy, peppermint, gingerbread theme. They are on sale for 50% off, so if you can get them on a good sale, it may be worth it. These miniature candy canes are so cute. I will say the majority of them are looking like they are $3.99 a piece. Oh, this one is so cute. I also really like these. These are what caught my eye over here. These cookie snowflakes. Down here, they've got a tray of gingerbread cookies, and they also have a gingerbread trailer ornament. They've got the little gingerbread houses. Those are all $3.99. And then the candy, old school looking. Lots of candy canes. This one is felt, but up here they've got a few that look like frosted cookies. They've got some really cute ice cream cones. This one with the chocolate on top. And down here in the vanilla, they've also got a really cute tiny little jar of gumdrops and some green candy canes. This one also looks like a cookie, a really cute little wreath. They have some peppermint topiaries. Those are $14 a piece. And then for $17, they have these candy looking Christmas trees. They also have the gingerbread nutcracker. He's holding a little gingerbread, and he's $17.99. For $14.99, they have a really cute little snowman serving cocoa, and for $29.99, they've got the gingerbread girl dressed up making candy. For $29.99, they have an adorable gingerbread trailer diner. Really, really cute, and this one does light up. Up here for $29.99, they have a really cute sign, Gingerbread Bakery. That one has some cookie cutters on it. They also have a few standing signs for $7.99 in the gingerbread Merry Christmas. They also have a super cute gingerbread red truck. No price on this one, but I'm starting to regret not doing gingerbread this year. They have this little trio that are so adorable. I look at these every year. For $14.99. For $59.99, they have some very large and quite spectacular gingerbread houses. Lots of detail on those. Those are very big. And then down here for $39.99, they've got the Gingerbread Bakery. Both of them do have LED lights and light up, but they're just not working for me right now. For $49.99, they have this adorable light up gingerbread house. For $9.99, they have a trio of gingerbread. This is so tempting. This reminds me a lot of my kids, and at half off it would only be $5. For $4.99, they have the wooden scoops in a set of 4. And down here for $11.99, a really cute candy joy sign. For $3.99, they've got a little gingerbread girl, and over here for $11.99, a Noel sign in the peppermint. For $9.99, they have a gingerbread shelf sitting couple, and also for $9.99, a Santa with a gingerbread tree. For $11.99, they have another super cute little gingerbread chef. No price on this one, but it's a really cute little ceramic gingerbread house that does light up. Very reminiscent of the little vintage Christmas trees, but just in a gingerbread. For $7.99, they have another little gingerbread girl, some super cute little signs. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Here's another really cute gingerbread figurine. I'm noticing lots of casualties on these. His little candy cane is broken, but they've also got a broken hat on the shelf sitter over here. For $14.99, they did a super cute gingerbread countdown, a little girl with a bow. For $19.99, they have another countdown, this one in the gingerbread house in wood. For For $19.99, they have a really cute hot cocoa bar in metal. For $11.99, they have a hot cocoa served nightly standing sign. And for $9.99, the box style in hot chocolate and marshmallows. For $11.99, they have a really cute warm up at the hot chocolate bar. And also for $11.99, this version in red. For $9.99, they have 3 galvanized signs to choose from. They have quite a few small signs. This one is $4.99. Down here, they've got a little cup of cocoa for $2.99. So they've got a ton in this style to cover. So we'll try and go pretty quickly. First off, I really like this hot chocolate sign. This one is $7.99. And next to it in Believe in the Magic of Christmas is $14.99. For $14.99, they have a glass framed piece with a heart gingerbread cookie. For $24.99, they have the Santa Stop Here garden stake. And down here for $19.99, they've got the wooden version. Santa stops for milk and cookies. For $4.99, they have the small peppermints, and for $19.99, the large glittery candy canes with a Merry Christmas tag. They also have for $7.99 the red and white Christmas wooden beads, the little tag. For $49.99, they have the peppermint themed mailbox. This one is wood. For $19.99, they have a very large red and white Merry Christmas sign. For $11.99, they have the standing Merry Christmas sign on metal. And then they do have a few coordinating sleighs. The larger one is $19.99 and the smaller for $14.99. For $9.99, they have a really nice Santa canvas. And then some really cool light up candles in the peppermint stripe. They come in 3 sizes. The most expensive is $17.99 and the little one is $11.99. They do light up, but I can't get any of them to work. For $11.99, they have this really funny little sign. I thought that was super cute. Also for $11.99, they have a Believe standing sign with a Santa hat. Over here for $13.99 and $19.99, they have some Christmas trees or hats. They have pom-poms on top, so I'm not sure. Comment down below and let me know. They have the wooden polka dot trees for $14.99. And down here for $11.99, some adorable standing signs, cookies for Santa, and carrots for the reindeer. And for $19.99, they have a light up peppermint sweet shop trailer. For $29.99, they have a super cute Santa. He's got a basket full of goodies and a candy cane in his hand. For $19.99, they did this super cute metal ribbon, Joyful, Merry, and Blessed. Over on the kitchen aisle, they have even more peppermint themed items and gingerbread goodies. For $14.99, they have a really nice ceramic rolling pin. Over here, they've got a little mug for $9.99. They have the peppermint lotion and the little handmade soaps. For $7.99, they have the little photo holders. These also come in the gingerbread. For $9.99, they have the peppermint ceramic plate and the smaller gingerbread print. That one is $7.99. Over here for $7.99, I'm finding lots of little dish towels in this theme. They also have some really pretty pot holders. They've got this one for $7.99 with a gingerbread, and down here, wishing you a season filled with sweetness. Now for some of their retro items, we're probably not going to get to everything. They have so much to see. They have this wheel that is a countdown, days till Christmas. I don't see a price on it, but I'm pretty sure that this Santa came off the middle of it, and it is fun. It spins. For $11.99, they have a chalkboard sign, have good cheer, with how many days until Santa is here, and some little bells. Got some really cute signs, this one in Welcome in the Snowman, and this one in Merry Christmas in the Reindeer. They also have this one in the snowman and this one that is very vintage looking. They have quite a few vintage inspired pieces. The mini Christmas trees that are $14.99. Down here they have some light up LED trailers for $15.99. For $14.99 they have the old school bottle brush trees. They have a larger one for $19.99 and these little light up old school televisions for $29.99, but they're not hooked up so I can't show you. I've got a few vintage looking signs for $14.99. Happy holidays and Santa's coming to town. And then for $29.99 they have the snowman countdown. For $14.99 they have a smaller style snowman countdown. And for $24.99 they have a very vintage and old school looking Christmas house. So I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me to Hobby Lobby today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.